How to use this Sora 2 service and also Flux completely free of charge. As you know, to use these services from their official website, you have to pay a fee. But there's a new website that I'll introduce to you in this video where, as you can see in the image, it says completely free and you can use Sora 2 totally free of charge without paying any fees at all. So, to use this service, we log in using our email. Just wait a moment to log into the website with your Gmail account. Once you've logged into the website, you can use these services, convert text to video, turn a photo into a video, or even create an avatar. So I wanted to actually turn my text into a video. You prepare your own prompt and select the type of service you want here. In this particular section, you can choose Sora 2, which is completely and absolutely free. Now, I will give it a specific text and tell it to actually turn the text and the prompt I provide into a video. So I wrote a prompt, and here you can choose your preferred size, whether it's for YouTube or Instagram, and then you click on the Create button. You wait until your video is created. Alright, my video was successfully created.